the power of mystery. Power doesn't just come from strength or action. It comes from mystery. In a world where everyone wears their heart on their sleeve, where every move is announced and every intention is laid bare, the man who keeps his cards close to his chest holds the real power. Let me tell you something. The moment people know your next move, you've already lost. Conceal your intentions. That's the third law of power. It's not just advice. It's a strategy for survival and dominance. When you reveal your plans, your thoughts, your goals, you hand over control. People start plotting against you, manipulating your path, and anticipating your moves. But when you stay silent, when you keep them guessing, you create fear, intrigue, and respect. This law isn't about lying or deception. It's about control. Control over your narrative, your actions, and the game itself. By the end of this, you'll understand how to master the art of concealment and why silence isn't weakness. It's a weapon. The danger of exposure. Think about the last time you told someone your big plans. Maybe it was a friend, a colleague, or even a family member. How did they react? Did they support you? Or did they cast doubt, plant seeds of negativity, or worse, steal your ideas? The truth is, people fear what they don't understand, and they sabotage what they can't control. When you reveal your intentions, you invite criticism, interference, and betrayal. You give others the chance to shape your path or destroy it entirely. History has shown this time and time again. Look at great leaders, visionaries, and strategists. The ones who succeeded didn't broadcast their plans to the world. They moved in silence, letting their actions speak louder than words. Because once your intentions are exposed, your enemies, and even your so-called friends, have the power to derail you. Exposure is vulnerability, and in the game of power, vulnerability is a weakness you can't afford. The strength of silence. Silence isn't passive, it's strategic. When you withhold your intentions, you create a sense of mystery. People can't predict your moves, so they can't prepare for them. They're left guessing, doubting, fearing. And that fear? That's power. Imagine playing chess with an opponent who announces every move before making it. How easy would it be to counter them, to outplay them? Now imagine the opposite, an opponent who stays quiet, who keeps you in the dark. Suddenly, every move becomes unpredictable. Every decision becomes a risk. That's the strength of silence. When you conceal your intentions, you control the narrative. You dictate how others perceive you, how they react to you, and how they move around you. Silence doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing everything on your terms, without interference. How to conceal your intentions. Concealing your intentions isn't about being deceitful. It's about being deliberate. Here's how you master it. First, stop oversharing. In today's world, people announce their every thought, goal, and plan on social media, in conversations, and even in casual interactions. Don't be one of them. Keep your ambitions to yourself. Let your success speak for you. Second, misdirect. If people are prying into your intentions, give them something else to focus on. Create a smokescreen, a distraction, something that keeps their attention away from your real goals. Finally, stay disciplined. Concealment isn't a one-time action. It's a mindset. It requires restraint, patience, and the ability to play the long game. Remember, power is built in the shadows, not in the spotlight. The reward of concealment. When you master the art of concealment, you gain control. Control over your actions, your image, and your future. People won't know how to challenge you because they won't know what you're planning. They won't know how to manipulate you because they won't know what drives you. Concealment isn't about cowardice. It's about dominance. It's about moving through life like a predator, unseen until the moment you strike. It's about keeping your power intact by never giving it away. So the next time you're tempted to share your intentions, stop. Remember that power comes from mystery, from the unknown. The less they know, the stronger you are. The silent rise. Power isn't loud. It doesn't announce itself. It moves quietly, strategically, until the moment it's undeniable. Conceal your intentions. Let them wonder. Let them guess. Let them fear. And when the time is right, let your actions do the talking. If this resonates with you, subscribe to the Midnight Alpha. Hit that like button, share this message, and remember, power isn't given, it's taken. Together, we rise.